Yeah, well, it's about, since 2015 till now, if President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan will still be celebrated and his quotes will be compiled for us to read and encourage us, it shows that as a leader, if you were a leader that upheld the tenacity of governance, you will always be celebrated. So my advice to leaders in office is that let's uphold the tenacity of governance. Let's do what will make us to be celebrated even after office. 10 years down the line, and his name is still resonates. There are people that they will leave office after 1 year, nobody can even still remember their names. So it's better to do something good and to leave a good name than to leave with silver and gold.
Okay, so finally, my take is on the recent issue by, well, your former colleagues, as it were now, on the issue of the state of emergency in Rivers. A lot of people have said that what they did was unconstitutional. What is your opinion about this matter?
Well, if what they did was unconstitutional, well, I don't know what I'm not in the House now, so I don't know what the rule book says, but as a parliamentarian, I will always stand with what the Constitution says. So if what happened was not constitutional, absolutely I stand by that. I stand with what the Constitution says, but like I said, I don't know what the rule book says now in the floor of the House. But the Constitution is what guides us as a people, which is very key. So guiding you in the House, there are two important books: the rule books in the House and the Constitution. So what the Constitution says is very important. And if they were guided by the rule books, I don't know. If they're not guided by the rule books, I don't know. But I stand with the Constitution.
Since talking about Jonathan, what are those silent attributes which you feel that are standing out, which his predecessors?
Jonathan was like a prophet. Most of the things he said during campaign in 2015, all of them have come to pass. All of them have come to pass. So I will urge on leaders to go back to the book of Jonathan, to the political book of Jonathan, and look at what were those things that he had warned us about during campaigns that are now happening. How can we go back to the drawing board and make it right? It's very, very important. Like I said, whether we like it or not, now in the political books of Nigeria, we have the book of Jonathan. So let's go back to the book of Jonathan and start from chapter 1, and we'll be able to get it right.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.